Hi, I'm Murdo, paint expert from Resene, and today I'm going to show you how to paint your deck. As always, prep is key. Apply Resene Moss and Mould Killer. Leave for 12 to 24 hours and then scrub with Resene Timber and Deck Wash. Rinse it off and leave to dry. Give it a light sand, then give them a dust off. If your deck is natural timber, prime it with Resene Quick Dry. If your deck has been previously stained, then you will need to prime it with Resene Wood Primer before applying paint. Fill any nail holes and spot prime your filler as required. Give it a light sand, and then give everything a good dust down, remembering to keep your mask on. Then apply 2 coats of Resene Walk On, which gives a subtle non-slip finish, or Resene Lumbercider, low sheen foam. Then it's time to sit back with a cold beverage and admire your handiwork.